قد سليمة ولا لأ؟ قد سليمة ولا لأ؟ قد سليمة ولا لأ؟
هلو. كلنا عارفين ان احنا في العربي لما بنحب نوصف حاجه بنجيب الاسم الاول وبعد كده الصفه،
وده عكس الانجليش تماما، لان in English the adjective comes first then the noun.
For example in Arabic هنقول ولد طويل، الاسم الاول وبعد كده الصفه.
In English we're gonna say tall boy. Tall is the adjectives come first, then boy is the noun comes last.
But the problem is when we have more than one adjective describing the same noun.
والحاجه اللي بتعمل المشكله دي في العربي ان احنا ما عندناش قاعده ان كذا صفه توصف نفس الاسم، ما بيجوش كلهم ورا بعض.
But in English we have this rule.
Let's take an example. Let's look at this dress.
Where if we have more than one adjective to describe the same dress?
How can we arrange them correctly?
We will say blue long cotton old dress,
Or old cotton blue long dress,
or cotton blue long old dress,
or old cotton blue long dress.
or what?
How can we arrange it?
So, if you'd like to describe this dress correctly, you would say
3, 4, 6, 8. Size, age, color, material.
so the sentence will be long old blue cotton dress. Not something for you to guess. دي مش حاجة كده سايبينها للتخمين.
It's a rule and you have to know it by heart. دي قاعدة لازم يبقى عارفينها كويس جدا.
This rule is called adjective order, and to overcome this problem you have to relate all the adjectives to their categories.
Actually, there are 9 categories for all the adjectives all over the world. The first category is determine. Determine means any word or adjective related to numbers 1, 2, 3, related to quantity like much and many or a lot, related to an article.
And here's the description. The description is any adjective that we use to describe people, right? Bad, good, ugly.
Third is the size. Size means to give the size of someone or something like big and small, etc.
Fourth, the age. And age for people like old or young, and age for things like old or new.
Number 5 is the shape. We mean with the shape the outer frame of the things, like we say round, like we say triangled or squared things.
And here is the color, like white, blue, black.
Number 7 is the origin, means the things where they came from or people where they came from, like American, Canadian, Egyptian even.
The concept, the material. The material the thing is made from, like cotton, polyester, or rubber.
Finally, our number 9 is the purpose. A purpose is any word added before the noun to make it from general noun to a specific one.
Do you remember this dress? This is a normal dress that we can use it for any use.
But if we add the word wedding, for example, which is a purpose or related to the purpose category, it changes the dress from a normal dress to a wedding dress only to be used in your wedding day. ها فهمتوا؟
احنا عارفين انها بتلخبط شوية.
That's why we decided to tell it to you in expert way.
In our way.
You start with a number, go to opinion, then the size, then the age.
Continue to the shape, move on with the color, origin is where it's made.
Then the material, like a wooden door.
Finally, the purpose is what it's used for. And now it's time for your question.
Which of the options below is the correct arrangement for the sentence?
معانا
get سليم.